Want a simple drink that helps you lose weight and improves digestion? Today, I'll show you how to make chia seed water, a natural, healthy, and fat-burning drink. You'll need 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1 glass of water, about 200-250 milliliters, half a lemon, optional 1 teaspoon honey, optional. Start by adding 1 tablespoon of chia seeds into a glass of water. Stir well to prevent clumping. Let them soak for about 10-15 minutes. Add a squeeze of fresh lemon for extra metabolism boost, and a teaspoon of honey if you like a little sweetness. Stir gently. Drink this chia seed water in the morning on an empty stomach for best results. Chia seeds are rich in fiber and help control appetite, improve digestion, boost metabolism, and burn fat naturally. You can also add mint, cucumber, or berries for added flavor and nutrients. Drink it daily for a natural weight loss boost. Try this chia seed water tomorrow morning and feel the difference. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more healthy recipes and tips.